Outside. Yeah. Outside. Man, the general back in the days. Like Starsky and Hutch. But yeah, mama make me food that me I tell her to carry. That's why I love my wife, you know. And then she top it off, you see me? Yeah. Some kind of woman now make no lunch. Me I get lunch like a little schoolboy. Yeah, with shades out, that's right. Yeah. Ah, do you think?
Alright, man. Bye.
Miss Ivy, are you ready for the road? So we need a box of Pampers. So we need a box of Pampers, man. Another one. And then another one. And when you gonna stop wearing Pampers? When you have what, 3? A 3-year-old or so? And then time you potty train or a 2-year-old or so? Yeah. 2-year-old. Okay, that's the first child. The one that was planned. Number 1. Everyone else probably be mistake. I joke me with one mistake, your blood clot. That did not take risk like that. Have no unplanned child. You give me an unplanned circumstance. Yeah. Can't do that. And then the bumble hold them with Rover versus weight. Besides, so them I go ban abortion. So them feel, you see what I'm not talk though? Slavery system.
Do this look okay?
Yeah man, those look nice. You want me to show it?
No, my girl.
Yeah, those look nice. But yeah man, imagine government have made decisions on female bodies. What female can and cannot do. It's crazy. That's a real slavery system. Them just need to just regulate whatever them say and legislation get passed and you see what I say? We're back in whatever entrapment them create. You know, open source. I don't like it. Don't like it one bit. Other ass if you ban abortion. And them are going like politicians and volley for side piece. They side girl them if you get pregnant now, you're going to see how quick abortion come back in a place and you see a couple politicians side piece get pregnant. But then again, politicians are corrupt. If them side piece get pregnant, then we have a doctor who perform illegal abortion. You know how make I shut my mouth because I don't want them to kill me. I'm just a regular software engineer. Minding my business. But me have to talk some things where they bother me, man. I swear to God I fuck with that one. What happened to you? What happened to you, mama? Oh, why you niggas all envy me? Why you waiting, why you waiting, why you waiting, though? Why you waiting, why you waiting, why you waiting, though? Why? High grade me smoke on marijuana. Last time me check it talk cheap, them cheap. Last time me check it still a beat, Range Rover cheap. Last time me take it did dodge in the streets. Yeah. Yo, them a talker. I who think them left me out, now them a laughter. Youngster something in my try. Violate time, I swear to God, said the whole of them a die. Matic in a me, mother half a cry. I swear to God, when me done my rough life. Pass all the weed, them try violate me, me give her seed. They swear to God, me is a father, I'm a breeder. Lord of mercy, smoke the weed and tell me leave off of the earth. Wait, and when me touch a place, the girls them off the floor. Me do it tough, me call me love to do the dirt. Them violate me, swear to God that not go work. The guns them want me squeeze the last time them I work. Yes, Joe, me and Ives outside. Tell them Daddy and Ives just done register the truck. Uncle deal with the truck. Uncle put on the registration tab.
Okay.
Ives, this I bow what Daddy do for you. I feel like going in water to Rascal. I have to go put my foot in it right now. Don't you so Uncle catch a fish?
He don't just come in.
Yeah, I try catch but it now. Gone up in the tree. See if I can see them front. Yeah, see them there. See them there. In Jamaica, them fish that get caught long time. Ticky ticky. Water! Where you going with? No, but you went up your view, the beat.
I have clothes for her.
Oh, you have
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, do your thing.
She can play.
I'll go do it. Yeah, with shades out, that's right. Yeah. Ah, do your thing.
Bye. Have a good day.
Mm-hmm. Careful. Yeah, of course, I go get Where is it?
Right here.
Mm-hmm. Spicy rice. Big peepee diaper, baby.
Okay, hold on, Ivy.
Are you ready?
Yay! Oh, there you go. Ivy.
Okay, so what do you guys think? I need some backup.
Ivy.